Hey everybody, welcome back to Surviving a Creative Life. I'm gonna do a little commissioned pour here. What I had requested was a dark red, so this is the color. I took my standard red and added some black to it, and so now we have a nice dark maroon type red, which was what was requested. A light blue, so once again, took my regular blue, just added some white, and purple. Now I have two purples here. I have a lavender purple, and I have a dark rich purple. I may decide to use both of them. We'll see. And then either silver or bronze. And since the one that they initially responded to had the silver in it, I'm going to use silver. I think I want a little white in this one because I think it's gonna go a little dark. So then I'm gonna probably put a smidge of the darker blue in and we'll see what happens here. But I'm gonna start with a little bit of white. Oh, if I can get it open, as usual, me and my hands. White, white, white. White. And I'm actually gonna put just like one teeny tiny drop in there. There we go. Silicone, the belt lubricant. And then I think with white I'm going to go, I want to put some of this dark purple next to the white. Ouch. Alright. Then some silver. I've gotten better at not tightening these up so much. I had a lot of silver in it, the one that he responded to. So here we go, silver next. Then here comes the red. Like a burgundy red. And then the blue. And we're gonna hit a smidge of the darker blue. We'll see where that comes up. And a smidge of the lighter purple. And we'll see where that comes up. And maybe just a smidge more of the darker purple because I can't help myself. Alright. I'm gonna let it sit like I usually do for about a minute, and we'll see what happens in the cup. It's looking pretty interesting already. Woohoo! I really hope this turns out well. This is a color combination I have not tried before, and I think it could work really well. It'd be nice if it had a pop of bright in it. So that's why I wanted to put a little bit of this blue, even though I was requested light blue. I thought that might be a nice pop of bright somewhere. I love their little bubbles popping all over the surface. See the bubbles? Alright. Alright, I would say that's been about a minute. It looks really cool in there. I have way too much paint, so since I have way too much paint for this canvas, I'm gonna put some things under here that I'm experimenting with. That could actually be kind of cool like that. Let's try it like this actually. I'm gonna stick them underneath of my cookie sheets. As long as they don't disrupt anything, I don't want this sitting in the, there we go. All right, so no matter what happens here, I think I've got this about figured out. Okay, ready? Flip. I always spill a little bit as I flip it over. I can't help myself. So then I wait 5 minutes for everything to slide on down the sides and do its little mixy thing, and then we'll see how this turns out. So back in 5. Alrighty, our 5 minutes has passed, and this is getting kind of exciting. You can already see some cells happening outside here, and I think the coloring is really interesting. So here we go. You know how I like to do this, right? If you've watched any of my other videos, tappity, 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 and wah! Did that one a little weird, I know, but I think you'll see where I'm going with it. Look at the cells coming up. Okay, that's really cool. The way the paints interact never really ceases to amaze me. It's always kind of a very interesting little scientific occurrence, and I like that it's unpredictable and you don't know exactly what you're gonna get, but you can kind of lean towards something. Look how the white's coming up in this. Ooh, look at the inside of the cup. Let's see if I can get this to adjust to my hand here. Here we go. Look at the inside of the cup. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so I'm gonna plop this upside down, kind of like this, and see if it'll run out on that. This looks so cool. I know what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna fire a little bit over here in particular. Let's see if we can get some wet blue to come up. There we go. Okay. I think I like that before the tilt. And I'm gonna find myself my rag before I actually do this. There it is. Okay. My very, very colorful rag. Okay, here we go. Ready. I kind of like that. Let me wipe on my little rag here, and then I'm gonna go in and hit it with a torch again, and then I might go back in and tilt it again. We'll see, but first things first. Here we go. Let's do this again. I went over here. Ooh. Yeah, I particularly like bringing these out around the edges here a little bit. Okay, well, I am going to do a little bit more tilting, I think. But I like what it's doing here, and I think I'm going to go a little more this way. Ooh, I'm kind of liking this. Yeah. Make sure I get the sides all good here. Pretty good. Usually there's something over here. I think I rolled it off the sides on this side of it. Don't need to worry too much about that. Alrighty, back to the rag, which probably needs to be retired because it's really yucky now. My yucky rag. Okay. It's enough for me to hit it with fire one more time. And this is a very strategic. Where am I going to put the fire? Will it develop here? Can I get something interesting to happen with another color here? Will it take too much out of something, you know? I kind of like that. I think I'm leaving it right there. Woohoo! All right, well, let's see if it does anything, if it moves anywhere, if it has a party without us. I don't know. And let's go in for a closer look. I will do my best to control the glare here. I think this was a really good color combination. I would use it again. Although I might add a pop of something that was hot as opposed to all these cool colors. Not sure though. I like these big cells. I really like the big purple cells. And I like how they're mixing kind of here. You know, this blue and purple and burgundy. And I like these layered cells here. Ooh, look at that one. That one is really, really pretty. I think it's just gorgeous. I think this is a really fun pour. And I hope my client likes it. I actually am trading this for gardening work. Yeah, you know, you do what you gotta do. Ooh, look, the burgundy's coming up through there. That's kind of cool too. And I think you're gonna see more silver once it dries down some, because there's definitely silver in here. See, like I'm seeing it right there and there. But I think as it dries, you'll notice it more. And especially once I finish and varnish it, you're definitely going to notice it. So that is the burgundy, light blue, purple flip cup. Bye.